Hello everyone. In my previous video, I gave you some examples of reported speech. So in this video, I am giving you solution of given examples. So first example is teacher. Have you solved all the sum, Meeta? Meeta replied, no, madam. Teacher, sit down, solve them just now. The teacher asked Meeta, have you solved all the sums, Meeta? The teacher asked Meeta, have you solved all the sums, Meeta? Means we have to use here connective if. Right? Now we have to make this sentence into simple sentence. You solved all the sums, Meeta. You second person will be changed into object. Object is Meeta, means she. Has will be changed into had. We have to use here third form of the verb solved all the sums. The teacher asked Meeta connective if she had solved the all sums. Now Meeta replied in the negative sense. Teacher asked, sit down, solve them just now. Sit. This sentence is an imperative sentence because the sentence is starting from first form of the verb. So this sentence is imperative sentence. So we have to use here connective to. Teacher asked to sit down, full stop, solve them just now. Solve them, down and solve them just now will be changed into then. You got it, students? The teacher asked Meeta if she had solved all the sums. Meeta replied in the negative sense. Teacher asked, sit down, solve them just now. This sentence is an imperative sentence, so we have to use here connective to sit down and solve them just now will be changed into then. Next example is Ravi. Mother, may I go out and play now? Mother, have you finished your homework? Ravi, no, but I shall do it later. Mother, first complete your homework, go to play later. Now we have to change this direct speech into indirect speech. So Ravi asked her mother, mother, may I go out and play now? His mother, connective is if, because this sentence is interrogative sentence. If, now we have to change this sentence into simple sentence. I may go out. I first person change according to subject. Subject is Ravi. Then we have to write here he. May will be changed into might, because all modals will be changed into second form of the verb. So I am writing here might go out, and play now will be changed into then. Ravi asked his mother if he might go out and play now will be changed into then. Right, students? Now mother asked, have you finished your homework? Mother asked, have you finished your homework? This sentence also in interrogative sentence, so we have to use here connective if. Now this sentence we have to change into simple sentence. So you have finished your homework. You second person will be changed according to object Ravi. If Ravi, he. Has I will be changed into had finished his homework. Your second person will be changed into object Ravi, then Ravi his homework. Next, Ravi replied, no, but I shall do it later. Ravi replied that he had not, but he would do it later. Now mother ordered, asked or told him, first complete your homework, go to play later. This sentence is starting first form of the verb. So this sentence is imperative sentence. So we have to use here connective to. Mother ordered or asked or told. We have to use here him to first complete his homework. First complete his homework या work to go to play later. Ravi asked his mother if he might go out and play then. Mother asked if he had finished his homework. Ravi replied that he had not, but he would do it later. Mother ordered or asked or told him to first complete his homework to go out to play later. So students, I hope you must have understood these examples. Thank you so much.